Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I think we've all heard of the benefits of tart cherry, but sometimes that taste is a little hard to take. How about trying it in a capsule formula like these pills from Zazzee Naturals? These pills are a capsule style, so they're easy to swallow. You can see holding it in my hand. They're not an overly large size, but you can also open them up and pour that powder right into your smoothies. I've noticed no crazy aftertaste after taking these. In fact, I don't really notice them at all. So adding them into my smoothies or maybe even to a fruit bowl will not really affect the taste of them, in my opinion. I really like the benefits that I get from cherries. I've always noticed that when I take them, I feel better, my muscles feel better, and just overall, it adds in some extra help with sleep, which I always need. If you're looking to add in some tart cherry as well, I would definitely recommend going with the capsule style. These in particular have been really effective for me, and I definitely see a benefit in taking them, but they're also really easy to take or to add into your fruit or smoothies. And that's my point of view.